Hey Happy Bees! In this video we're going to make a super cute, easy reindeer cake. I'm using these Happy Bee cake templates, so you can find the link to these in the description below. So I've cut out the face part of the template, and I've also cut out the nose and the eyes. I'm going to use some Renshaw fondant in the shade Teddy Bear Brown. And you're going to roll that out and place your head template on top. Now I'm going to use this little shaper tool just to mark where the eyes and the nose are. And I forgot to show you me cutting out the neck, but you're going to place your neck and your head onto your cake. Make a little collar for your Rudolph. Rudolph's bell is going to be 3D, so you're just going to take a ball of fondant and measure it up against the template. And then you're going to use a cocktail stick and a circle cutter to create some indentations. Now we're going to go in with some gold luster dust. And place those onto your cake. Now I've mixed some of this Teddy Bear Brown with some white fondant to give me a lighter shade. This is going to be for the nose area of our Rudolph. And you're just going to use the same process. You're going to carve around that nose template and place it over the top. I'm going to make two little eyes in the same way that we made the bell. I'm just going to measure them up against the template. You can cut these out as well if you prefer. And place these on as well. Now to start out, I'm not sticking these on with water, just so I can make sure I've positioned them right, but at the end you're going to go in with some water and stick all your pieces on. Making Rudolph's nose now with a large piece of red fondant. Oh, it's so cute! Using the templates again to create Rudolph's ears. And we're going to make these in two parts. Two parts using the Teddy Bear Brown. And then we're going to cut out the smaller pieces in the inside of the ears in a dark brown, and use a dark brown fondant for these parts. Place those onto your cake as well. Use some of that brown fondant to create some antlers for Rudolph now. Once you've placed your antlers on top, we're going to use the template again to create some hair for our little Rudolph. Use some white edible paint to give Rudolph some catch lights and a little bit of detail on his nose. Use a circle cutter to give little Rudolph a smile. And if you want to see more Christmas videos just like this one, click that link on your screen now. See you in the next one.